Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your spreadsheet as a PDF or an Excel file. This is very useful when you need to email your data to a coworker or a client who does not use Google Sheets. First, let's look at how to download your sheet as an Excel file. If someone you work with prefers to use Microsoft Excel, you can turn your Google Sheet into an Excel file in just a few clicks. Go up to the top menus and click on File. Hover your mouse over the option that says Download. From the side menu that pops up, click on Microsoft Excel. As you can see, as soon as you click it, Google Sheets will instantly save a copy of your spreadsheet to your PC. Next, let's look at how to save your sheet as a PDF file. A PDF is the best choice if you want to send a clean copy of your data that no one else can change or edit. To do this, go back up to the File menu and hover over Downloads again. This time, click on PDF Document. This will open a print preview screen where you can adjust your layout settings. Once everything looks perfect, just click the blue Export button in the top right corner of your screen. Your spreadsheet will instantly download to your PC as a beautiful PDF file. That's it. Thanks for watching.